Welcome to the recorded demo video for the property tax online payment for citizens. This video will introduce you to the system's features and functionalities. Visit the official eGov portal to access the online system and its features. Click on the e-services option on the system interface. Upon selecting the e-services option, a drop-down menu will appear with the following categories: pay property tax, shop rent, pay water tax, pay trade tax. Proceed with the property tax payment by choosing Pay Property Tax from the drop-down categories. A filter screen will be displayed, allowing users to search for a holding. Select the filter criteria, filter by zone, ward number, and search by. Then, click the Search Record button to execute your search. The search results will be displayed, showing the relevant property details. Proceed with the payment by selecting the View option. The demand details and property details will be displayed, along with the payment options. Select Payment Type and then click on Pay option. The user will be asked for confirmation. A payment screen will appear. Select your preferred payment method from the following options and click to continue. Upon successful payment, a confirmation message will be displayed, offering the option to view your payment history. Click the Get Payment History button to proceed and view your payment records. To view payment receipts, click on the View Received option. Click on the Print Receipt option to get the payment receipt. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Please do like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to receive notifications of our latest videos.